Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 4 slices of bread. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of cinnamon for flavor. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of butter ready for cooking. These basic items are all you need to start this tasty breakfast. Now, let's prepare our flavorful egg mixture. Crack your 2 large eggs directly into a shallow dish, like a pie plate, which makes dipping easier. Pour in 1/2 cup of milk, then add 1 tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of cinnamon. Whisk everything together until it's completely smooth and well combined. This creates the perfect base for your French toast. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Take each slice of bread and dip it into the egg mixture, letting it soak for about 10 seconds on each side. This ensures a rich, custardy texture. Carefully place the soaked bread onto the hot skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown. Your delicious French toast is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm, right off the skillet. You can top it with your favorite fresh fruits, like berries or sliced bananas, or simply dust it with powdered sugar. A generous drizzle of maple syrup or a dollop of whipped cream makes it extra special. This easy guide helps you create a delightful breakfast every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.